Kubla Ports is software for designing and planning marine infrastructure. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Aids to Navigation module. To get started with Kubla Ports, you load bathymetry data. This will be used to generate the base surface for displaying seabed levels at each navigation marker. Once you've loaded bathymetry, the next stage is to load an image overlay. This step isn't essential, but it helps you plan out the project and is useful for presentations. You can load a number of image file formats as well as PDFs. There are several options to adjust the transparency of the image and also to specify the location of the image in the real world. In this case, we will line up the image from two known coordinates. The next step is to define the aids to navigation. We can do this simply by drawing them on the screen, giving exact coordinates for their positions later. We can easily change the type of navigation marker by selecting from a list. We can also change the structure type for each aid to navigation. As well as drawing the navigation markers on the screen, we can also load their locations from a CAD DXF file. If you are also using the Channels module of Kubla Ports, then there are more options to define the lateral markers for your approach channels. For each part of the channel, we can adjust the arrangement of the lateral markers. We can also change the structure type for individual markers. The last thing we'll look at is the exports from Kubla Ports. One useful export is to a Microsoft Word or PDF file. This summarises all of the aids to navigation we have defined on this project, including their name, position, type, and the seabed level. Another very useful export we can make is a 3D DXF file, which we can open in any CAD program. This is very useful for presenting your project to colleagues and clients. The export will contain the colours you have defined in Kubla Ports, as well as any contour lines that you want to include. The aids to navigation you have defined will be included in 3D in the export, or alternatively you can choose to export in 2D and the symbols will be exported. Although the aids to navigation module can be used in isolation, it also works seamlessly with the other modules in Kubla Ports, providing an integrated solution for design and planning. That concludes this quick demo of the features in the Aids to Navigation module of Kubla Ports. If you have any questions or would like an online demo of the software, then contact us at kublasoftware.com.